In the heart of the Andes, high above the Urubamba River, a mysterious city began to take shape. This was no ordinary city. It was the masterpiece of the Inca Empire, a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of its people. The year was 1450, and construction had commenced on a site that would later be known as Machu Picchu. Pachacuti Inca Yupanqui, the Sapa Inca, was the man behind this grand design. A military genius and visionary ruler, Pachacuti had expanded the Inca Empire to unprecedented heights, conquering tribes and territories far and wide. Now, he sought to create a city that would reflect his power and the might of the Inca dynasty. The location chosen for Machu Picchu was not arbitrary. It was a strategic choice, with its commanding view of the valley below and its defensive position against potential threats. The site was also rich in natural resources, including the precious metals that the Inca valued so highly. The construction of Machu Picchu was a Herculean task. The Incas had no wheeled vehicles or draft animals, yet they managed to transport massive stone blocks from distant quarries to the construction site. The blocks were cut so precisely that they fit together without mortar, a testament to the Incas' advanced knowledge of mathematics and engineering. The city was divided into several districts, each serving a specific purpose. The agricultural district, with its terraced fields and irrigation systems, ensured the city's self-sufficiency. The residential district housed the common people, while the religious district was reserved for the temples and palaces of the ruling class. The most impressive structure in Machu Picchu was the Temple of the Sun, built to honor the Incas' patron deity. This temple was a marvel of Inca architecture, with its intricate carvings and detailed frescoes. The temple was aligned with the solstice, allowing the sun's rays to illuminate its interior only on that day, a testament to the Incas' understanding of astronomy. Life in Machu Picchu was not easy. The city was built at an altitude of over 7,900 feet, and the climate was cold and wet. Yet the people persevered, building their homes from stone and thatch, and cultivating their fields on the terraces. The city thrived for a century, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Inca people. But in the 16th century, the Spanish conquest of South America began, and Machu Picchu was abandoned. The city was lost to the jungle for centuries, until its rediscovery in 1911. Today, Machu Picchu stands as a symbol of the Inca Empire's greatness. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it attracts visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its architectural wonders and to catch a glimpse of a civilization long past. The city's mystery and beauty continue to captivate, a testament to the enduring power of history.